Told you that I didn't love you, didn't wanna, but I had to. Oh, oh, oh. I know you don't wanna see me, but what if I got down on my knees? Oh, oh, oh. If then I don't mind if I die, 'cause I'll never find another you. Oh my God, can we pretend that we're good? Just for the night till the morning. I'd take it back if I could. If you want it, baby, take it out on my body. Can we pretend that we're good? Just for the night till the morning. I'd take it back if I could. 'Cause I'll never find another you. Please don't make me have to say please. I know that you're just as lonely. Oh, oh, oh. I'll tell you something that I don't mean. Baby, please don't ever leave me. Oh, oh, oh. If I find if I die, 'cause I'll never find another you. Oh my God, can we pretend that we're good? To the morning, I'd take it back if I could. If you want it, baby, take it out on my body. Can we pretend that we're good? Just for the night to the morning.
I just put a piece of 2x4.
Yeah, so maybe float it for now and then we can put a 2x4 in later.
Yeah,
So should we undo the strap that I put on?
I just put 2x4s in it right now.
Oh, she's just recording. She just sat and left. Yeah.
Phone up, broke my heart like you regretting it. Yeah, I don't understand this shit. I ain't a toy, I ain't a toy. I'm a man, yeah, I ain't a boy. You play around, yeah, you stay drama. I don't make drama. I ain't hating mama, hate mama, it's okay. Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life, yeah. I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life, yeah. It used to be like, why you gotta leave, why you gotta go? Why you not with me, can you let me know? Yeah, when did we fall out? Was it worth it all? Yeah, but that was till you ended it. Now you call my phone up, broke my heart like you regretting it. Yeah, I don't understand this shit. I ain't a toy, I ain't a toy. I'm a man, yeah, I ain't a boy. You play around, yeah, you stay drama. I don't make drama. I ain't hating mama, hate mama, it's okay. Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life, yeah. I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life, yeah.
Everything's crimped so you can turn the water on. If you
Plug upstairs.
I did it.
Up.
It's a good story.
Pretty sure. I will check if you want.
Yeah, you did one on the 90. You did one on the T, then you're good.
Yeah, I did.
Get that off.
Yeah. I'm gonna let the air out of it. Shut it off. Shut it off.
Try it. Fucking, yeah.
Got something going on here.
Pissing. He said, I got them all. No, maybe. Hey, get this on the GoPro.
Yeah.
Yep.
Should be alright. We are back. We got a ton of stuff done. May have lost some footage. GoPro may have been stolen. But it's gonna be a big update. We may have a toilet. Rumor has it. We may have running water. We could possibly be close to closing up the shower walls and have everything pressure tested. But time will tell. Let's go check it out. All right, check it out. Got to do a little cleaning up, but still need to tie down the wire. Just been running it kind of roughing in. Got the toilet flange on, drain's done. That wire ran for the entirety of that bathroom wall while it's open. Both of these rooms have a home run, and the wall of the tub has receptacles. I can do the rest and pick it up once the bathrooms are completed, but for now I have a circuit in there whenever I want to tie it in, and I'm pretty much good to throw some insulation in this wall and start to close it. It's going to be pretty exciting. Similar situation downstairs. We started upstairs. Would you look at that?
They say the white ones are crazy. Horses and young ladies. Well, Mama said don't bring her around no more. Sister called her 5 letters that rhyme with 4. Caught keeping little more than my company.
All right, so we got receptacles in the bathroom. We're upstairs. Wiring labeled. Toilet functional. Sink. Tub. Vanity light. We got a recessed light circuit and a fan, exhaust. Wiring for that side of the bedroom where the wall's open. Same thing over there.
When you come busting down my door. Oh, if it works like that, we're probably not. Sound a little easy on
Staying here, you know, on a bed. I have stayed here, not on a bed. We got a bed. Foot pump, baby. Look at that definition.
It's getting there.
I think that's it right there.
love that fill my cup and quench my thirst. Oh, love that fill my cup and quench my thirst. Good Lord, lead me